Microsoft has released a new AI chatbot called Xiaoice. Xiaoice is a conversational AI that can hold conversations, generate stories, and answer questions. Xiaoice was first developed in 2014 by Microsoft's Beijing-based research lab. It has since become one of the most popular chatbots in China, with over 600 million users. Xiaoice is known for its ability to hold engaging conversations and its ability to generate creative content. Xiaoice is powered by Microsoft's latest AI technology, which allows it to learn and adapt to its users. The more Xiaoice interacts with a user, the better it gets at understanding their interests and preferences. This makes Xiaoice a valuable tool for both personal and business use. For personal use, Xiaoice can be used for a variety of tasks, such as keeping users company, helping users with tasks, such as scheduling appointments or making travel arrangements, providing users with information, such as news, weather, or sports scores, generating creative content, such as stories, poems, or songs. For business use, Xiaoice can be used to provide customer service, generate leads, conduct market research, create marketing content. Xiaoice is a powerful AI chatbot that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. It is a valuable tool for both personal and business use, and it is sure to become even more popular in the years to come. Here are some of the features of Xiaoice. Conversational AI. Xiaoice can hold natural conversations with users. It can understand and respond to a wide range of prompts and questions. For example, Xiaoice can be used to chat, ask questions, get help, and even be a friend. Content generation. Xiaoice can generate creative content, such as stories, poems, or songs. It can also generate different creative text formats of text content, like emails, letters, etc. For example, Xiaoice can be used to generate creative content for marketing, social media, or personal use. Personalization. Xiaoice learns and adapts to its users. The more Xiaoice interacts with a user, the better it gets at understanding their interests and preferences. This allows Xiaoice to provide a more personalized experience for each user. Empathetic computing. Xiaoice is designed to be emotionally intelligent. It can detect and respond to emotions, such as joy, sadness, and anger. This allows Xiaoice to provide a more supportive and understanding experience for users. Security and privacy. Xiaoice is built on a secure and private platform. All user data is encrypted and stored in a secure location. Xiaoice is committed to protecting the privacy of its users. Multitasking. Xiaoice can handle multiple tasks at the same time. For example, it can be used to chat, generate content, and provide information all at the same time. Multilingual. Xiaoice is available in multiple languages, including Chinese, English, Japanese, and Korean. This makes it a valuable tool for users from all over the world. Open platform. Xiaoice is an open platform that allows developers to create new features and applications. This makes it a powerful tool for businesses and organizations. Continuous improvement. Xiaoice is constantly being improved. New features are added all the time, and the existing features are being made better. This makes Xiaoice a valuable tool for users today and in the future. Here are some of the potential applications of Xiaoice. Healthcare. Xiaoice can be used to provide healthcare information and support to patients and caregivers. For example, Xiaoice can be used to answer questions about medications, provide reminders for appointments, and connect patients with healthcare providers. Finance. Xiaoice can be used to provide financial information and advice to users. For example, Xiaoice can be used to help users budget their money, track their investments, and make financial decisions. Travel. Xiaoice can be used to help users plan and book travel arrangements. For example, Xiaoice can be used to help users find flights, hotels, and rental cars. It can also provide users with information about their destinations, such as local attractions, restaurants, and events. Education. Xiaoice can be used to provide educational content and support to students and teachers. For example, Xiaoice can be used to help students learn new concepts, practice for exams, and get help with homework. It can also be used to help teachers create and deliver lessons, grade assignments, and communicate with students and parents.
Business. Xiaoice can be used to improve customer service, generate leads, and conduct market research. For example, Xiaoice can be used to answer customer questions, resolve issues, and provide support. It can also be used to generate leads by identifying potential customers and qualifying them for sales. Xiaoice can also be used to conduct market research by collecting data on customer preferences, needs, and experiences.
Social companion. Xiaoice can be used as a social companion to provide users with companionship and support. This can be especially helpful for people who are lonely or isolated. Personal trainer. Xiaoice can be used as a personal trainer to help users achieve their fitness goals. This can be done by providing users with motivation, support, and guidance. Life coach. Xiaoice can be used as a life coach to help users make decisions, set goals, and achieve their dreams. This can be done by providing users with advice, guidance, and support. Here are some of the challenges that Xiaoice faces. Privacy. Xiaoice collects a lot of data about its users, which raises privacy concerns. Bias. Xiaoice is trained on a massive dataset of text and code, which may contain bias. This bias could be reflected in Xiaoice's responses, which could lead to discrimination against certain groups of people. Accuracy. Xiaoice is still under development, and its accuracy is not always perfect. This could lead to users being disappointed or frustrated.
Acceptance. Xiaoice is a new technology, and it is not yet clear how widely it will be accepted by users. Some people may be reluctant to interact with a chatbot, while others may find it helpful and enjoyable. Despite these challenges, Xiaoice has the potential to be a powerful and transformative technology. As it continues to develop, it is likely that we will see even more innovative and creative ways to use this AI chatbot.
Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a little bit about Xiaoice, the conversational AI chatbot developed by Microsoft. Xiaoice is a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. It is still under development, but it is already being used in a variety of ways, such as providing customer service, generating leads, and conducting market research. As Xiaoice continues to develop, it is likely that we will see even more innovative and creative ways to use this AI chatbot. If you want to learn more about Xiaoice, I encourage you to check out the links in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more content like this.